technically, the momentum indicator RSI was also seen heading near its oversold zone, where it can be seen still room for the sideways momentum or the sideways to downside momentum. But all in all, what we can see is that the sideways to bullish momentum can be seen intact unless and until 22,300 support is broken. And today, currently on the intraday basis, markets have been looking to open on a gap up note with with slightly positive momentum as well. So on the support and resistance basis, the resistance lies at around 24,570 levels, where a further closing above that can take the Nifty till 24,640 and 24,700 levels. Whereas on the flip side, Nifty can be seen taking support near 24,400, and below that 24,340 levels may also act as a strong support level. Coming on to the Bank Nifty side, Bank Nifty also seems to be trading on the sideways, where it was having a 50 DMA support near 55,150 levels, where on the intraday basis, the resistance can be seen at around 55,540 levels. If a decisive close above that is seen, we can still expect the market to go until 55,770 and 56,000 levels. And on the other side, the immediate support can be seen at around 55,040 levels, and below that, 54,800 levels can be seen testing if the market hangs below 55,040 levels. Now, coming on to the stocks, Tech can be seen as a good opportunity for buy, as it was seen breaking its falling trend line, where a 1450 levels can be an ideal entry zone, with 1,400 can be put as a stop loss, with 1550 as a target. And another stock can be taken for the buy recommendation would be DMart. It was seen having good formation of the bullish flag pattern, while today a break above 4260 levels can be seen. If it pertains about that, the targets can be kept at around 4420 levels, with a stop loss at around 4180. So that's all from the technical side. Now I forward it to the derivative side.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you witnessed that from last 2 days of trading session, the volatility is intact, but Nifty managed to take the support on the downside towards the 24,350 to 400 mark that will act as the immediate support zone for the market. So till the time now, Nifty is not going below 24,350 mark. Till that point of time, we might witness some pullback in the market. As if we look at the overall OI positioning also on the strike specific front, we are seeing that at 24,600 and 700 strike, the Colorado positions are intact and have added up sharply in yesterday's day of trading session. Once if in today's session, if Nifty spot manages to give closing about 24,600 level, then major liquidation of the Colorado will take place and will get shifted on the upside towards the 25,000 to 25,200 level. So currently strength seems to be on the positive front, as we are witnessing that Gift Nifty is likely to open 100 points on the positive front, so that will also create much support for the market. On the stock specific front also, and overall index specific front also, we are expecting some buying momentum will be witnessed in today's day of trading session, as the PCROI yesterday closed at 0.7811. So we will expect a PCROI to show some reversal, as from the 0.78 to 0.72 is the range for the PCR, from where we have seen reversal at many times on the upside towards 1.08 to 1.15 levels. Once if in today's day of trading session, or in next 1 to 2 day of trading session, if PCR manages to get closing above 1.08 level, then we will witness fresh buying initiation in the market from the index Pacific front. So currently hold the long portion, and new long portions can also be created. As per stock specific front, Paytm looks so positive, as we have continuously initiating the Paytm buy call in today. Yesterday's session also, we have seen that a strong addition of the OI portion took place in the Paytm, and we are expecting buying momentum to be continued. Another counter that looks positive in today's session will be NTPC, and HCL Tech looks positive. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the result front, PI Industries posted the result yesterday. Result was below expectations. Overall revenue degrew by around 8%. This was mainly due to abrupt regulatory suspension of sale of biologicals in June for the entire industry. Also, AgChem exports has seen degrowth. However, new products has seen strong growth of 46%, and the pharma has also rebounded with robust growth of 186% YOY growth. Overall gross margin improved mainly on account of favorable product mix. That has also reflected in the EBITDA margin with stable margin at 27.3%. The stock is currently trading at a valuation of around 34 times to FY27 earnings, and we will provide further update from the con call today. Finotex Chemical posted the result. Result has declined for the quarter with revenue decline of 3.4% and EBITDA margin at 18.4% versus 24.8% in the same quarter last year. The stock has recently corrected significantly due to US tariffs. Major impact is expected on India's textile segment as a major share of companies' revenue comes from the textiles. The stock is trading at around 25 times to trailing 12 months EPS, and we remain neutral on the stock in the near term. We will provide further update from the today's con call. Senco Gold Limited posted the result. Result has improved for the quarter with 30% revenue growth. Triple SG growth was at 19.6%. Overall, EBITDA margin has also improved at 10.1% from 7.7% in the same quarter last year. This was mainly driven by the higher diamond jewelry sales, improved product mix, and the improved realization due to gold price rise. Mr. Suvankar Sen, the company's MD and CEO, has addressed in the investor presentation that the company is expected to deliver 18 to 20% revenue growth with 6.8 to 7.2% EBITDA margin. The stock is currently trading at around 26 times to trailing 12 months EPS. Thank you.
Good morning. Aavas Financials posted its results. Results is declining. NII grew by 16% year on year. Profits grew by 10% year on year basis, but declined by 9% sequentially. Its asset quality has also declined quarter on quarter basis. The stock is trading at 3 times trailing price to book value, and outlook is neutral for the stock. Secondly, National Securities Depository Limited posted the results. Results has improved. Its revenue from operations declined by 7.5% year on year, but its EBITDA margin grew by 30.5% versus quarter on quarter 25.1%. Its profit has grew by 15.2% year on year and 8% sequentially. The stock is trading at a PE of 78.6 times trailing EPS, and outlook is neutral for the stock. Thank you.
Good morning. Jindal Steel and Power Limited posted the results above expectations. The offtake came at 1.9 million tons versus the expectations of 2. It has declined 11% quarter on quarter and has grown 10% year on year. EBITDA per ton came at 15,819, which has grown 48% quarter on quarter and 17% year on year. The revenue from operations have declined 6.7% quarter on quarter and 10% year on year. EBITDA margin came at 24.4% versus the expectations of 21%. The PAT is above expectations. The stock is trading at 14.6 times FY27 expected EV by EBITDA. NMDC Limited posted the results above expectations. Offtake came at 11.5 million tons versus the expectations of 12.2. It has declined 6% quarter on quarter and has grown 14% year on year. EBITDA per ton came at 2,152, which has grown 33% quarter on quarter, but has declined 8% year on year. The EBITDA margin came at 37.4%. The PAT is above expectations. We will provide outlook for both of them post the con call today. Hindalco Industries Limited posted the results above expectations. The consolidated revenue was down 7% quarter on quarter, mainly due to seasonal factors and lower aluminum prices. The EBITDA was also down 11% quarter on quarter due to softer volumes and prices in aluminum. EBITDA margin came at 12.3% versus the expectations of 13.1%. The PAT was above expectations. The aluminum upstream EBITDA was down 17% quarter on quarter due to lower prices. The copper metal sales were 131 kilotons, which was up 5% quarter on quarter, making a record high. The lower input costs were due to higher linkage coal availability, 63% in Q1, which brought the production cost down by 3% quarter on quarter, hitting the lowest level in 15 quarters. We are long-term positive on the stock. Thank you.
And that's it from us. Commodity team can take over. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting prices in gold and silver to pull back. One can initiate a buy in gold around 1 lakh, 1 lakh 100, and maintain a stop loss of 1 lakh 99 800 on upside. We are expecting 1 lakh 500 to 800 on upside. So profit booking advisable around 1 lakh 800. And silver too, we are expecting prices to test 1 lakh 15,000 on higher end. So buying on dips is recommended around 1 lakh 14,000, and maintain a stop loss of 1 lakh 13,000. And in metals, copper looks positive. Buying on dips around 891 is recommended with a stop loss of 885. On upside, we are expecting 900 levels. And zinc too looks positive. Buying on dips around 270 with a stop loss of 268 is recommended. Upside, we are eyeing for 275. And in crude oil witnessed profit booking, weakness below 5600. So it can test 5450 on lower end. However, it should consolidate from 5650 to 5450. But weakness is witnessed. And in natural gas, two prices drifted below the support area of 255 and witnessed a sell-off. So any pullback around 250, 52, one can sell with a stop loss of 260. And on downside, 240, 235 are the levels where one can book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.